Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to teach you mensuration. Under mensuration you have to learn solid cylinder, hollow cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, hollow sphere and hollow hemisphere. Okay, so today we will discuss only solid cylinder. So before that you have to know the formula. Number one, cylinder. Number one formula is area. Area equals to pi r square, circumference equals to 2 pi r, volume equals to pi r square h, CSA means curved surface area is 2 pi r h and total surface area equals to 2 pi r plus h. Now this is the formula for solid cylinder. Okay, and today's first question is example 1. Given diameter equals to 7 centimeter and height equals to 16 centimeter. Okay, here diameter is 7 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. So you have to find out everything: area, circumference, volume, curved surface area, total surface area. Now, if diameter is 7 centimeter, radius will be 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Now, while calculating, either you take 7 by 2 or 3.5, it's up to you. Whichever is easy, you take that. Okay. Now, first, number one is area. To find area, I have given the formula pi r square, and the value of pi is very important. Whatever is the value of pi given in the textbook, you apply that. Your calculation portion will be easier. Here, the value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7, I am taking 7 by 2 because I have to think for calculation also 7 by 2. So these two will get cancelled, this and this cancel. 11 7s are 77 divided by 2. If you divide it, you will get 38.5 centimeter square. The unit for area is always centimeter square. And question number 2. Question number 2, circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2. It's very easy. This and this cancel. 2 11s are 22. 2 into 11 is 22 centimeter. The unit for circumference is centimeter. And the third question is volume. Formula is pi r square h. This is formula based chapter. Please learn formula and you have to improve calculation. That's all. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 16. This and this will get cancelled. Okay. 2 11s are. After that, 2 8s are. Now 11 into 7 into 8. 11 into 7 into 8 is 616 centimeter cube. 616 centimeter cube, and the unit for volume is centimeter cube. Now next you have to find out curved surface area. Curved surface area is, for cylinder, it is 2 pi r h. Okay. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into height. Height is 16. This and this cancel. 2 11s are. Now 2 11s are 22 into 16. If you multiply, you will get 352 centimeter square, which is curved surface area. Now, last one is total surface area. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r plus h. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 plus 16. This and this cancel. 2 11s are. Now 2 into 11 is 22 into 22 into make of LCM. LCM is 2. 7 plus 32. Now 22 into 7 plus 32 is 39 divided by 2 is now 11 into 39 is 429 centimeters square. So in this way you have to find out circumference area, volume, total surface area, of surface area and perimeter of circumference. Now let us do one ICC question from cylinder. ICC 2018. In your book it is question number. In your book it is question number. It's not there. Question number ICC 2018. Anyway, question is not here. Number is not here. Question ICC 2018. Here the circumference of the base of the cylindrical basin is 132 centimeter. Circumference is given, which is 132 centimeter, and height is 25 centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter. You have to find out radius and you have to find out volume. It's a very simple question. This is ICC 2018. Now first use circumference to get radius. C equals to 2 pi r. 132 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 and the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Okay. Now 132 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 equals to r. Calculate it. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11, 12, 13. 11 2s are again 2 6 are 2 3s are. So first answer is 21 centimeter, which is radius. After getting radius, second question is volume. Now volume equals to pi r square s. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 25. 25. This and this cancel. This and this cancel. So 11 into 7 into 25. If you multiply it, you will get 34650 centimeter cube, which is the answer. This is ICC 2018. And we'll do one more question. You can try remaining these two questions. After ICC 2018, do the next two questions as homework. Now, the last question from solid cylinder. Last question from solid cylinder is 14 part 1. The sum of the radius and the height of the cylinder is 37 centimeter. 14 part 1. 14 part 1. The sum of radius and the height means r plus h equals to 37 centimeter. R plus h equals to 37 centimeter, and the total surface area. Total surface area equals to 1628. 1628 centimeters square. 1628 centimeters square. You have to find out height and you have to find out volume. So before height and volume, first we have to know radius. Outer radius is not given, so find out radius by using total surface area. Total surface area equals to 2 pi r plus h. So what is the value of total surface area? 1628 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r plus height. R plus h is already given, which is 37. Now 1628 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 37 equals to r. You will get 7 centimeter. Okay. So 7 centimeter equals to r. So radius is 7 centimeter. After getting radius, you have to find out height. R plus h is equal to 30 centimeter. The value of r is 47 centimeter, height equals to 30 centimeter, which is the first question. After that, we have to find out volume. So volume equals to 5r square, 22 by 7 into radius is 7 times into height is 30. Height is 30. So this and this will get cancelled. If you multiply, you will get 4620 centimeter cube. This was for today. Thank you very much. Please learn all the formula from solid cylinder because the mensuration is very easy for you. Only you have to know formula and you have to improve your calculation. That's all. Thank you very much. In the next class, we will discuss hollow cylinder. Thank you.